Welcome to the channel. I'm Tony the Technician. Today we're going to be going into a dual-sided bit ratchet that I picked up on Amazon, and I just wanted to share it with you guys because it's an affordable and I think good design option for a bit and socket ratchet. I've been running this at work for about 2 weeks now. It comes in this packaging. It is the CONT mini dual ratchet socket. So we're going to get into the details, my thoughts on it, and let me know what you guys think. So I primarily use 90% of the time 1/4" drive and 1/4" bits. I remove a lot of tail lights, tailgate panels, trim panels, things like that in order to access things for my repairs. So I use a lot of tools like this. Or if you do a lot of firewall work, interior work, up in the dash, things like that, things like this can be fantastic. So a lot of my bit sets and bit and socket sets come with ratchets like these, which are still great. I really enjoy them, really good for tight spaces. This is the one from Tecton, the one that I've been using recently. And with the set from Tecton, you get a 1/4" drive. I have the small engine repair kit. It comes with a 1/4" drive ratchet and a 1/4" bit ratchet. And then this is just an old Matco or Silver Eagle. Well, this I really like because it's a 2-in-1. And I was just looking at a bunch of different bit ratchets, and I thought this one was a pretty nice design. It's from a brand I've never used or heard of, but it looked nice, had a lot of good reviews, and it was affordable, so I figured I would at least pick one up and do a review on it for you guys and see how it holds up over time. I've had this, like I said, for about 2 weeks now, and it's going strong. Once again, these are light-duty use tools, but pretty impressive. So let's get into it. First up, on one side, you have the 1/4" drive for your sockets. It is 72 tooth on both ends. You do have a reverse switch. You do have a thumb drive as well. So if you're in really tight areas, maybe you can break it loose and then you can spin it out with the thumb drive. That's always a nice feature, especially on these small ratchets where they're not big and bulky. This is a slim design compared to a lot of other generic bit ratchets out there. As far as socket retention and fitment, it is a quick release. So you do have that button on the back side which locks it on. It's not going anywhere. As far as play, it's not terrible. As you can see there. So good fitment on there. Then the design is kind of more like a wrench than it is a ratchet, like what you see on some of these other smaller ones. It is contoured, so it still feels good in the hand, even with the other tool being at the other end. It's still comfortable in the hand. Now, with the bit side, it is opposite facing than the ratchet side. I think that's to prevent the anvil from getting in the way when you're operating using a bit, especially if you're just using like a 1-inch bit, like so. So it kind of keeps it offset, so it's out of the way. The 72 tooth mechanism actually feels pretty dang good. The reverse switch is recessed, which is nice as well. Both sides have that disc or thumb drive option, so that's really nice. As far as socket retention on the, or not socket retention, as far as bit retention, it does use the kind of spring steel style where it's just clamping over the groove. You can see it there in the corner. The other thing that I like about this is it's not a quick release, but it does have a button to help push the bit out so you're not fighting it as much, especially if your hands are greasy. So if you hear that little guy in there, it does wiggle around, and basically when you put the bit in, it pushes that button out the back. So now there's no noise, it's pressed up against that button. So then in order to remove the bit, instead of sitting here fighting, trying to get the bit out, which I don't even know if you can, I can't, you just push the button and it kind of pushes the groove off of the spring clamp over there, and then you can pull the bit out. So I do like that. Bit retention is very, very solid. And so that is just a quick look at the CONT 2-in-1, if you want to call it, bit and socket ratchet. And I think these are going to be fantastic for tight spaces, light duty use. You know, this isn't going to be something for everybody. Not everybody's going to get use out of tools like these, but I personally use a lot of 1/4 inch drive sockets and 1/4 inch drive bits. So I'm always looking for really solid options, and honestly a lot of those that come in some of the other sets where you get the extension that's a pass-through handle, I don't want any more pieces than I need, and I feel like this is going to hold up just fine for the work that I use it for, and figured it was at least worth mentioning. And this comes in not on sale at $20. I don't think that's a bad price. Easy Red has like a version of this that's flex head that I think is $40 when it's on sale, almost $45 when it's not on sale. Like here's the Duratec one with the extension that you can pass through the bit hole or put on the end for extra torque, but I just didn't want anything with the extra pieces, so I thought this was a really solid option over something like this. Now this one is not a flex head, and I don't think they have it available in a flex head, but that's not a huge deal to me. I do have other tools that I can use in situations like that. So that's just a quick look at the Conquer bit and socket ratchet. I really hope you guys enjoyed. If you guys have any questions, comments, concerns, or maybe I forgot to mention something that you would like to know, please feel free to drop a comment down below. I'll do my best to answer it. But other than that, if you guys enjoyed, make sure to smash that thumbs up, and if you guys haven't subscribed, make sure to subscribe. I'll see you guys next time.